Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to explain to you what artificial intelligence is and how it can help us in our daily lives. So please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and always be up to date. So let's get it started. Artificial intelligence, AI, offers numerous advantages for mankind. Here are some key advantages of AI. 1. Automation and efficiency. AI can automate repetitive and mundane tasks, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. This allows humans to focus on more complex and creative endeavors, leading to higher job satisfaction and innovation. 2. Enhanced decision-making. AI systems can process vast amounts of data quickly and make data-driven decisions. They can analyze complex patterns, detect trends, and provide insights that can aid in more accurate and informed decision-making across various domains, such as healthcare, finance, and business. 3. Improved safety. AI technologies can be employed in areas where human safety is a concern. For example, autonomous vehicles equipped with AI can enhance road safety by reducing human error. AI can also be utilized in hazardous environments, such as disaster response or deep-sea exploration, minimizing risks to human lives. 4. Personalization and tailored experiences. AI enables personalized experiences by analyzing user data and preferences. It can power recommendation systems, personalized marketing campaigns, and customized user interfaces, leading to improved user satisfaction and engagement. 5. Advancements in healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by improving diagnostics, treatment planning, and patient care. AI-powered systems can analyze medical data, assist in accurate diagnoses, suggest treatment options, and predict outcomes, leading to more efficient and precise healthcare delivery. 6. Accessibility and inclusion. AI technologies can make services and information more accessible to individuals with disabilities. Voice recognition, text-to-speech, and other AI-based tools can empower people with visual or hearing impairments, enabling them to navigate the digital world more effectively. 7. Scientific research and exploration. AI can accelerate scientific research by analyzing massive datasets, identifying patterns, and assisting in hypothesis generation. It can aid in areas such as genomics, drug discovery, climate modeling, and space exploration, contributing to scientific advancements and discoveries. 8. Support in challenging tasks. AI can assist humans in challenging tasks that require extensive data processing or analysis. It can help in fields like cybersecurity, fraud detection, and anomaly detection, augmenting human capabilities and improving overall performance. While AI brings many advantages, it is essential to approach its development and deployment with caution to address concerns such as ethics, privacy, bias, and the impact on the workforce. Responsible and ethical implementation of AI is crucial to ensure that its benefits are maximized while minimizing potential risks. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.